The E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5m smart trainer combines a generous wingspan with a very stable airframe, which makes it much easier for new pilots to see in the sky and keep under control in real-world wind. Its integrated flight assistance system gently limits bank and pitch while offering panic recovery, so beginners can experiment and learn without constantly worrying about losing the model. The airframe is built from resilient expanded polyolefin foam that shrugs off typical training mishaps, so you can fly frequently without spending every weekend doing repairs. Assembly is straightforward and does not require glue or special tools, so you can go from box to flying field in a short afternoon. Because it uses a bind-and-fly compatible receiver, it pairs easily with a wide range of modern Spektrum transmitters, letting more experienced pilots fine-tune the feel as their skills grow. A wide-stance tricycle landing gear with a steerable nose wheel gives very forgiving ground handling, making both takeoffs and landings far less intimidating for first-time pilots.